Another blast of snow, ice, and brutal cold on the heels of the storm that left dozens dead.
That's the one we saw explode.
Day in Fort Worth, Texas, as icy conditions there led to a massive crash this morning that claimed the lives of 6 people and left dozens of others hurt.
Guys, welcome back to another episode of Atlas Survival Shelters. It's Friday, February 19, 2021, and all I can say is the last 8 days have been very interesting here in Texas. It all started on February 11th, last Thursday, with a 133 car pileup, and unfortunately 6 people lost their lives. It was very dramatic, but that's when we had what's called black ice here in Texas, and the roads started to freeze up. So I literally chronicled the last week of my life, so basically I want to save it, but I want to share it with you guys. So this story in this video is going to start on Sunday, February 14th, which was Valentine's Day.
Tonight, the dangerous winter storms hitting much of the nation. A coast-to-coast ice out, blinding snow, and dangerous ice across the south. Highways frozen solid. The fiery multiple car pileup in Oklahoma. In Texas, 1,000 accidents there alone.
All of Texas is facing a extremely dangerous winter storm.
We actually have snow here today. It's supposed to get down to like 4 degrees tonight. It'll warm back up next week. All right, so here it is, February 15th, and boy, it is cold out there. It's down to 2 degrees right now. It's snowing, and I haven't been able to leave this room in 2 days, but I got to get out tomorrow and get to the grocery store and get some food. Yeah, it's hard to believe this is Texas, isn't it? We got snow piles. You don't see that every day in Texas. But we don't have snow plows, so how do we get snow piles? See, this is why I want a snow plow on the front of my Jeep, my bug-out Jeep, so I can clear roads when we're in our doomsday situation and we have no power. I can go out with my snow plow on my Jeep and clear the roads for everybody.
That is fucking great.
Isn't that crazy? It's like a snowbank in there. This is the grocery store here in Texas. I mean, it looks like Canada right now, doesn't it? This is crazy. Wow, that's cold too. It's like the next morning after snow in Texas, and the shells are almost all gone. There's one chocolate milk, there's 2 white ones up there, and there's a couple small ones. So what do you think is going to happen in a panic? Look at this. 2 days of snow. And there's like none of my food that I buy. There's some vegetables and stuff. But for the most part, grocery store has been picked. Well, I'm at the grocery store and I got I'm a prepper shirt on, but I'll tell you what, looks like a lot of people aren't prepping because the grocery store is about sold out. And this is just after 2 days of snow. So this is why you guys need to store up on your freeze-dried food just in case of things like this.
Hello, Atlas Patriots. Thanks for watching today's video. You know, we live in unprecedented times. Ron asked, if you would like to support yourself and this channel, then go to shelterwithatlas.com and take a look at all the specials on survival food and supplies that Ron has arranged to help all his loyal subscribers. As Ron always says, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Remember, this company and all other Atlas approved products are located on the sponsors page at the Atlas Survival Shelter website.
And we're having a once in a lifetime snowstorm, and there's one person who came in to see me today, and it figures it's a guy from Minnesota. He's like, this is no big deal. We work in this stuff, but I had to come down here and unlock the building just to talk to this guy and show him some shelters. But this is what the factory looked like. When I came down, it's like nobody's working. It looks like North Dakota, doesn't it? Except nobody has snowplows in this town. So the highway down there, I never saw a single car in 10 minutes going towards Dallas. I don't know if it's closed or just nobody's driving. But that's what the factory looks like. Comes the lone customer from Minnesota. Only somebody from Minnesota would want to meet up in this weather on this date here at the factory, but let's do it. Wow, you don't see this every day. Look at all this snow. It's like 6-7 inches deep. Can't even see my parking lot or my all my steel over there. So that's why we're not working this week.
Tonight, the deepening disaster in Texas as that massive winter storm pushes into the Northeast. Hundreds of thousands of homes without power for the fourth straight day in Texas. And now the scramble for clean water.
Dang, I swear every single plant is closed down. I mean, you can't even find a business open today in this town. A couple gas stations, but everybody's closed. Everybody but Atlas Survival Shelters. We've got men in working in the factory right now. You know what? If this was Minnesota, they'd be working. I mean, they would call this a pretty day. But we got a few men to come in, and we got men working there, but nobody else does. Not a single person. Not these guys. Not JB Weld up here. Nobody. I don't know if we're crazy or we're just dedicated, but you know, I got people who want their bunkers. That's all I can say. But they did get somebody a snowplow to clean the road out there. I'm kind of jealous of that, so I bet they come back to work tomorrow. Because look at that, they cleaned out their parking lot. So anyway, well, I guess I'm a unique individual. Well, it's Friday, February 19th. JB Weld didn't come into work. And Clayton Homes over there is closed. Let's see if anybody else is working. Seems like we've been the only factory that's worked. So we worked Wednesday, Thursday, and now Friday, but it looks like everybody else is still closed. I mean, it's actually a pretty day today. Yeah, they're closed over at the big manufacturing plant. And we had quite a few people show up, it looks like. Not everybody, but I see about 10 cars there. Huh. Well, that's good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. All right, so about 10 employees showed up today. So this should be a good day. And the snow should be melted here in a couple days. And hopefully we'll be back to normal here at Atlas Survival Shelters. Well, dang it. The snow out here is starting to melt. It's starting to flood parts of our factory here. It's lunchtime right now. And wow. Yeah, there's water over there. Yeah, they've been pushing it out there. We had some lines bust in this factory. All right, so what happened? Oh, right there. Put the light on. Oh yeah, there's the busted copper pipe right there. Well, that's what flooded this part of the shop. Dang. Then, of course, the backside of the factory got a bunch of water. Yep. This ain't good. But we got to get work done. We've got deadlines to meet and people who want their shelters sooner than later. So we're trying to show some dedication here. So when the roads kind of cleared up and it seemed nice outside, we went ahead and came in and went to work. But backside of this factory got flooded because water lines busted. So if I go back there, you'll see all the water. Oh, wow. Oh my God.
It goes all the way back to the...
Wow. Did y'all shut off the water? Wow. This ain't good. Well, I don't think it's gonna hurt nothing though, because everything's on pallets. Okay. Wow. You're just having fun now, because they'll all be melted by Monday.
Push water away. I don't say if you push snow.
This is what you call a redneck snowplow right here. Only in Texas. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching what I did this week. It was a historic week. We set all kinds of records for cold and snow and all kinds of things. It got shattered the record books here in Texas, that's for sure. But you know, one thing that came out of this, we learned how to make a snowplow out of a forklift. And if nothing else comes out of this, that's what we got this week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. So as always, make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, I love you. I'll see you on the next video.